Good day to everyone. Our topic for today is multiplying a polynomial with more than one term by a monomial. So we have example. We will use distributive property to find the product of this problem. So we have 3 times 4a. So 3 times 4a, we have 12a. Okay? You have 12a. And the next is you have 3, using the distributive property again, 3 times negative 5b. So we have 15. Positive times negative, that is negative 15b. And then we have 3 times positive 2. So that is positive 6. Okay, that is our answer. Okay, so this problem, we will start with the numerical coefficient first. So we have 3 times 2, or positive 3 times 2, that is equals to 6. That is 6. Okay, then proceed to the literal coefficient. We have x squared times x, that is x cubed. No? That is x cubed. X cubed because this is understood 1. Okay, so 2 plus 1, that is 3. Then proceed to y. Y, this is understood 1. So y, 1 plus 2, that is equals to 3. Okay, next is this one. Multiply this monomial, okay, times dito. Okay, negative 4x cubed. So, start muna tayo. 3 times negative 4, that is negative 12. And then sa x tayo, so x squared, this one, x squared times x cubed, that is x to the 5th power. No? 2 plus 3 is 5. And then we have y. Isang y dito. Walang y dito. May y dito. So yung y, ilagay natin dito. Okay? So, last is this one. Numerical coefficient, this one is 1. Understood is 1. So, if this is 1, understood. So, 1 times 3, that is 3. Okay? Then, literal coefficient, we have our x squared times x squared. So, we have x 2 plus 2, that is equals to 4. And then yung y natin, y isa dito, and then dalawa dito. So, 1 plus 2, that is 3. So, that is our answer.